Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, it's the creamy Irish stout from iGulu. And it's sitting at about 5.5 to 6%. It's still got 3 more days to condition, but it's almost always good right off the bat. I'm gonna give it some time and let it condition a little bit more and I'll try it again, but I'm gonna knock this out because I have a feeling it's gonna be really good. Got a nice little glass here and just so it's been sitting at around 12% on the PSI. Oops, I'm pouring it on my hand. There we go. And I made a little mess, but isn't that beautifully clear? I'm joking, it's a stout. Got a nice little frothy head like it should for a dark beer. Sorry, I had to wipe that all down. I got it everywhere, but yeah. There we go. That way you're not looking at the little picture on the glass. Okay, I've got mild roast, chocolate, it's got a really smooth roast. Dude, that's smooth. That's very smooth, very nice. Drinking more like about a 5.5 than a 6. We know it can be deceiving. The coffee smell is really there, but it's not that heavy on the palate. I'm not getting a ton of coffee. I just get a nice, almost like somebody added some cold brew coffee to it. Just mild, smooth, dark espresso style, of course. Got lots of chocolate. Lots of chocolate. Not overpowering, but it's definitely one of the dominant flavors in there. I know it's 30, 35 IBUs, but it balances usually with some of the sweetness, especially with the lactose in here. So it doesn't really taste sweet. Well, it's got a hint, but very subtle hint. But it also doesn't taste bitter. You know what I'm saying? It's a balancing game, and they've balanced it very well. I like things more carbonated, but this is dead on for a stout. Dead on. And yeah, extremely drinkable. I'm not, and I've mentioned this before, I'm not a huge stout fan. I either have to be in the mood or I have to really like it. Like I said, knock down a glass or 2 of these in a night, enjoy them every sip. So yeah, I'm gonna say huge success. Cheers for the Irish cream or cream Irish stout from iGulu. It does have a little bit of lactose in it. I'm lactose intolerant, it ain't gonna jack me up. A little bit's not gonna kill you. And I don't know if there's any oatmeal in here or not. I think it's just a milk stout, but yeah, just a little bit too. I have my own recipe out there that a hint of lactose really makes for a very smooth stout, and this is definitely on the smooth side. Don't forget, like, subscribe. If you still don't have an iGulu and you're considering it, yes, there's always a discount code below. Yes, there's always a link. Yes, it's an affiliate. Hooks you up. Definitely helps the channel a little, but hooks you up big time. And hey, cheers. Happy St. Paddy's Day.